Briefly, I'm gonna explain tire wear on different spots of the tire wear and what the cause of it. Of course, you're gonna have to dig deeper and find the real cause. The alignment could go out of specs, but sometimes there's a reason why the alignment goes out of spec. It could be, like I say, worn ball joints, control arm, bushings, tie rod, inner tie rod, outer tie rod, bad rack, rack bushings. Many things can be involved in this, but we're just gonna focus on the final cause, or the final reason why your tire wears on a specific spots. So this is in the front. This is the front of the vehicle, like you see, right in the front, and this is the driver's side front. So if your tire wears on the inside, you could see this thread here goes out fast. That means you have a toe out or excessive negative toe. So in another word, your car, while you're driving and your steering wheel straight, it drags on this edge right here. It's not moving, or the wheel is not rolling fully on the whole, or the weight is not distributed on the whole tire. It's very much all the pressure on here, so it's putting a drag in here. So your tire very much it's toe, negative toe out like this. So it's going from the front, going this way out. So it will cause fast wear on this side. Also, if you have a negative camber, that means if this is the wheel and this is the negative camber from the top going tilted in, you're gonna notice wear from here all the way to very much to the middle or the 3/4 is gonna be higher here and lower as you go this way. So it's gonna start here, then it's gonna go here, then it's gonna go here. So that means you really have a bad camber. So you have a negative camber. On the other side of the equation, if the wear on the outside of the tire, this means you have an excessive toe, positive toe. So the wheel pointing toward the car this way. So you're dragging on this. And also, if you have a positive camber or excessive camber, positive, it will eat gradually this way. It's gonna start here, it's gonna start to eat. So you're gonna see, if you measure the tread depth in here, you're gonna see it higher in the middle, and it start to go lower and lower and lower as you go in toward the outside of the vehicle. So that's and usually positive camber, very nasty. You could feel uncomfortable when you drive. You can feel the car is like wobbling, you know. It's not stable. As soon as you let the steering go, the car is like start to shake or want to move one way to the other. Versus negative camber. Negative camber would give it more stability on the road, but if it's too much negative, also you're gonna feel that the steering wheel is not comfortable, or it's tight as you drive. And there is more pressure on one side of the tire versus it's even pressure on all the tires. So that's very much it. The best way to have it's even wear on all the tires. And again, you have to check, or you have your mechanic check all the suspension parts like strut, control arms, upper, lower, ball joints, steering outer tie rod or inner tie rod, etc. There are other things. Some cars, they have more suspension parts than other, like Mercedes, BMW. They have a lot of crazy moving parts in the middle, in the front. So that anyone can cause an issue. So make sure you pay attention to if it's in or out, and that's very much. At the end of the day, it's an alignment issue, and your wheel is not sitting 100% right on the car, or on its right angle. Thank you for watching.